So you've decided to take the plunge and plan your first international trip? Fantastic. You're about to embark on an adventure filled with new sights, sounds, and potentially questionable street food choices. But before you grab your suitcase and passport, let's tackle the essentials with a pinch of humor to keep things light. First up, packing. Remember, pack light and smart. Think of your suitcase as prime real estate. Don't fill it with things you'll never use. Unless you're filming a documentary on the history of hair curlers, maybe leave them behind. And always roll. Don't fold your clothes. Next, double-check your passport and visa requirements. And by double-check, I mean triple-check. There's nothing more awkward than showing up at the airport and realizing your passport expired. Money matters. Sort out your currency before you land. Familiarize yourself with the exchange rate and consider getting a travel-friendly credit card. Technology time. Download essential apps offline. Maps, translation tools, and even a good playlist can save the day when you're lost in translation. Now let's talk airport security. Follow the rules, keep your liquids in a zip-top bag, and wear socks with no holes. A universal adapter is your best friend abroad. Unless you're planning to charge your phone by sheer willpower, make sure you bring one that fits the outlets of your destination. Learn some basic local phrases. A simple hello, thank you, or where's the bathroom can go a long way. And finally, research the do's and don'ts of the country. You don't want to accidentally offend someone by, say, tipping in a country where it's not customary. Planning an international trip can seem daunting, but with these tips, you'll be prepared to take on the world, literally. So get out there, explore, and don't forget to have fun. Bon voyage!